Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, we're going to talk about a newly launched website by the United States government. They have launched a new site regarding the COVID tests where you can get free at-home COVID-19 tests, or you can order these through this COVIDtests.gov website. It's an official website of the United States government, and they've also stated that on over here as well. The link to this is COVIDtests.gov. I'll leave a link to that in the description as well. Now, a lot of users want to know about how they can order these free COVID-19 tests from the government. Now, the eligibility criteria is that there are 4 free at-home COVID-19 tests available through which you can order through this website, and the delivery timing is between 7 to 12 days. It could actually take longer than that, but this is the estimated time. On the main website, if you click on this link here, order free at home test, then let me open it in a new tab. It will take you to the USPS, which is United States Postal Service website. It seems to be showing some kind of error because it seems like the website has been launched a day earlier than its official launch. So it seems like the link doesn't seem to be working properly right now, but it might start working very soon. So you could order through this link here, and then it takes you to the USPS website where you can actually order the kits. Now, if you scroll down, there are some extra details about if you want more than 4 tests, how you can order those, how you can get those through the retailers or pharmacies, and how the insurance reimbursements work for your at-home tests. There are also free testing sites available across US as well. Now, the tests which are available through these websites are actually the rapid antigen at-home tests, not the PCRs, and it can be taken anywhere. You get the results within 30 minutes. Don't need to drop the test off to a lab, and work whether you have the symptoms or not. And you can also, if you're vaccinated or not, it will work for you. These tests are also referred as self-tests or over-the-counter tests previously. So these are some of the details. If you I mean, these are some other details as well here. If you scroll down, why you should take these at-home tests, and then if you're positive or negative, then there are some details about what to do next after that. So it seems very clean and nice, and you also have a link to order right at the bottom as well, and you can see it's linked to the United States Postal Service. So it seems like the link doesn't seem to be working right now. You also have the option to change the language to Espanol as well. So you could do that to in Spanish as well. So this is the detail about the website, and this is how you can order the free COVID test from the government. So hope this video was helpful and informational. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.